My police boat. My police boat. Oh, shut off. My police boat. Coke bottle and then some floaties or whatever. Whoosh. Produced by Blaine Ritchie and Not Stupid Rides.